Need to fix Frontier app not working? Then I'm gonna show you with the step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. First thing first, move into the App Store on your device. Now in the address bar, you need to search for Frontier Internet. Head over to this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. In this case, simply click on update and update the app. Well, updating the app might fix the issue. If not, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General, and then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, you need to search for Frontier app. Once found, click on it. Now, you need to click on Offload app, and then click on Offload app. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. But if it doesn't fix the issue, then try to uninstall the application. Click on Delete app. Once deleted, reinstall the application and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.